This right here, ladies and gentlemen, is my cinnamon waffles. I hope you enjoy. This is a very quick and easy fix for while you have the kids at home. All you need is this right here and a waffle maker. And then you'll be able to pop out this beauty right here. Quick and easy. It'll keep you calm and the kids calm while they're at home. If you like this, please do. Push that button. Subscribe to the Kool Zone. There'll be so much more to come. I love you all. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Kool Zone out.
Now it's time for new ones and sunny days. Open up your mind, feel what the chorus say. Come have a talk with me. Come have a talk with me. Yeah. Come have a talk with me. Hip hop, have a talk with me. Yeah. Have a talk with me. Hip hop, have a talk with me. Said I need you to talk to me. I need you to talk to me. 86 meet me at the playground around 6. I was 5, so my mind wasn't on hip hop. Then fast forward about 10, I was 15 in, so my mind real focused on the hip hop shit. The street lights on, yeah, I'm in the booth. Mama calling me constant, ma, I'll be home soon. Yes, I'm on the grind, not on the block. 10 o'clock back home, notebook non-stop. Videos on smash, it's not good in the hood. Money low and my mind on froze. How the fuck am I supposed to elevate my status from the press to the baddest MC? I'ma do this before I leave, I'ma put that on everything. All I had is my balls and my words. My mind's so scattered, but I express it through words. And all
This, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, is my cinnamon waffles. And as you can see, they look amazing. If you like what you see and you enjoyed this quick and easy video, please do subscribe to the Kool Zone. Take this journey with me. There'll be so much more to come that you would definitely enjoy and definitely find useful, entertaining, and shocking what we do with these waffles. So please take that ride with us. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Kool Zone out.
Real deep breath made my very first album. That was the first volume. Now I'm on 3. Hip hop is still there. If you love it, never let it disappear.